Effects of bad posture on the body. It is common for people to sit with a curved spine, slump over a desk while trying to read documents or computer screens, and walk with the head pushed forward or tilted while looking down. These are just some of the activities where bad posture is commonly found. The spine is crucial to supporting the body, movement, and nerve signaling. Consistently maintaining poor posture can lead to a host of medical problems far beyond back or neck pain. It is easy to minimize the impacts of bad posture because it is not a disease or medical condition per se. The truth is, poor posture disrupts much of the entire body's functioning, along with causing back and neck pain. Focusing on alignment of the spine. The spine should be kept in alignment when doing common activities: walking, sitting, driving, and sleeping. Poor posture includes features like rounded or slumped shoulders, rounded back, posterior pelvic tilt, sway back, head jutting forward past the shoulders, head leaning backward, sitting in a slouched position with back at an angle and hips placed out, knees bent when walking or standing, sleeping with the neck out of alignment with the spine, anterior pelvic tilt, pelvis tilts forward, pot belly, standing. Keep the shoulders back but not tense. Slightly bend the knees to take pressure off the hips. Keep the chest perpendicular, 90-degree angle to the ground. Avoid wearing high heels or shoes with a high angle. Do not stand in the same position for long periods of time, move around.
If you're enjoying, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps my work a lot. And don't forget to activate the bell to receive all notifications. Thanks.
Sitting. Keep the shoulders back but relax to avoid tension. If looking at a computer screen, raise the screen to eye level. Keep the knees a little lower than the hips. Place feet flat on the floor. Do not place arms on chair arms, misaligns the shoulders. Walking. Walk so the heel hits the ground first, followed by the toe. Keep the chin parallel to the ground. Keep the back straight and not arched. Keep the buttocks and stomach in line and not jutting forward or back. Keep shoulders back and relaxed. Do not look down, curves the neck. Look forward at least several feet ahead. Sleeping. Choose a comfortable position, but take steps to maintain neck and spine alignment. Choose a pillow that keeps the neck in alignment. If sleeping on the back, place a small pillow or rolled up towel under the small of the back. If sleeping on the side, place a pillow wherever necessary to keep the body aligned, between or under the knees where the hips start, between the legs. Do not sleep on the stomach, places a strain on the neck. Do not sleep with multiple pillows, forces the neck to bend. Practice makes perfect. If back or neck pain persists, you should see a physician to make sure there is not a medical problem or injury, rather than a posture issue, causing the pain. People who have developed poor posture need to remember that it will take some practice to make good posture something that does not require special attention. With awareness and practice, good posture will soon come naturally, and you will feel and look better.
If you liked the video, save it to your phone and share it with your friends. And for more curiosity about the human body, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.